Hey guys. Welcome to InfoMinutes. In this video I'm gonna show you how to extract audio from any video using VLC media player. If you are watching my channel first time, then subscribe my channel to watch more videos like this. Okay, let's get into the video. VLC media player is a free software and it is compatible with all devices. If you want to download, link is given in the description. First of all, go to media and then select convert or save option, or we can press Ctrl+R. Here we have to add the video from which the audio will be extracted. Here I'm using my previous video. Add the video and tap the convert or save. In the next window, we have to select the format as audio MP3 and choose the destination location and name for the audio file. If it is chosen, then tap the start button. Okay, that's it. The progress bar indicates the status of the conversion. The converted audio is saved in designated location. Let's play the audio. Select open file from media or press Ctrl+O. Hi friends, welcome back to InfoMinutes. In this video we are going to see how it's playing good. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like the video, give thumbs up. See you in next video. Thank you.